Continue tayo ulit. So, we got J-Hope. We got Jin. We got Jungkook. We got Jungkook. But you know, my bias is I don't know how to say my bias because I think my feeling is Jungkook is my boyfriend and Jimin is my boyfriend. So, and Taeyong is my boyfriend. So, you know, I don't know how to bias, but the BTS is my bias. All the BTS members, all bias. 7 plus. So we got B, and J-Hope, and V. You know, the all of the pictures of the BTS is so perfect and so handsome. Good look that all pictures them. It is like this, the tiny fan version. And cute and in this hype and hypen. And the BTS group. And hypen. And hypen reach Solo J. BTS and hypen BTS and BTS and hypen and hypen BTS. And hypen is awesome and great pictures them. And the butter, and this one of BTS then.